Welcome to Computer Code Guard channel. Today we are going to discuss the major differences between file and folder. A computer resource for recording data discretely in a computer storage device. Folder. A directory or a folder that contains files and folders. File. A file is a collection or group of interlinked data or information. Folder. A folder is a means to organize files into groups. In layman's language, folder is a tool to organize the files. File. A file cannot hold or contain another file or folder. Folder. A folder can contain multiple files or folders. File. Files take space on computer memory. Folder. Folders does not take space on computer memory. File. A file has a particular memory size. Folder. A folder has no specific size. File. Files have an extension to indicate the type of programs, data, or information they belong to. Folder. Folders cannot have an extensions. Examples of file extensions. Test file extension is .txt. MS Word file extension is .doc. .jpg is one type of file extension of image file. .mp3 is one type of file extension of audio file. .mp4 is one type of video file extension. File. User can create, modify, read, rename, and delete files. Folder. User can create, copy, rename, and delete a folder. File. File organization includes sequential access, direct access, indexed sequential. Folder. Directory organization includes single directory, one directory per user, multiple directories per user. File. Files are restricted from being shared on the network itself. Folder. Folders are allowed to be shared on the network. Like, share, subscribe Computer Code Guard channel. Click the bell icon. Thank you.